slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Balenciaga Triple S's from HesKick or HesKick. I don't know how you pronounce it. Pretty weird name, new site I'm trying out, so let me know what you guys think about this. First pair, do you guys want to see more from them? And all that sort of stuff. So let's get into it, man. If there's anyone new to the channel watching and this is your first video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. If you don't, you can get out if you're not into rep or UA products. If you do like what you see, like I said, subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and follow the Instagram link is always in the description, so keep that in mind, at RV Stuff TV. For those of you guys rocking with me still, appreciate it, always all love. And yeah, man, let's just get into a video. So this is all the information. These took about 5 days including the weekend, which they don't typically work on or deliver, but it still like is in transit and moves around, so they just don't deliver on the weekends typically. So yeah, with DHL shipping, so keep that in mind. This is all the information of the website. Site is HesKick.com. Email is HesKick86@gmail.com. Instagram is at Andy Locus LOCUS 21. WhatsApp is right there as well, and if you use the code STUFF, you can save yourself $15 on anything site wide, so keep that in mind. Don't condone any of this stuff, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So let's get into it, man. This is the box that came in. It did come really well boxed. I wish the cardboard box on the outside of this was a little bit more durable. So the box didn't get smashed up, but it is what it is. I don't really care. Did also come bubble wrapped on top of that, so could have just been thrown around like a football. That's probably why it's dinged up like that. But yeah, just says Balenciaga on the top. On the side, you got this, just the colorway, size, all that sort of stuff. Inside, you got the insoles, which I took out because these are technically a size 12 US, give or take. And I usually wear 13, so they're a little bit tight because they didn't have 13. So I took the insoles out and they fit okay. I'd probably be willing, or probably be able to wear them out for a few hours. Definitely, they're not super tight without the insole in there. So if you're a size 13, you can definitely fit into a 12 without the insole. Comes with an extra set of laces, and then the Balenciaga dust bag as well that's inside. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. Let's take a look at the shoes real quick. So here you are, pretty simple. I'm not going to take super duper long with the video. Pretty basic. We've all seen a Balenciaga Triple S before. Alright guys, sorry about that cut. I just had to go deal with something real quick, but yeah, like I was saying, we've seen a Balenciaga Triple S before. This one is pretty dope. It's a newer model. Same Triple S build, but it just says Balenciaga all over. It comes in white and black. So if you're into that sort of stuff, if you're into the design, style, that sort of stuff, the colorway, you can grab it. So you got this little tag here that just says Triple S. Nothing else, I don't believe. Yeah, it just says Balenciaga on the back. That's pretty much it for that. Rest of the shoe, most of the shoe is actually comprised of leather primarily, but there is nubuck here as well, and on the accenting on the front of the shoe. There's no obvious glue marks that I see. Shoe doesn't really smell all that bad unless you get real close to it. Then you can just probably smell the leather or the glue or whatever the case may be. Got the Balenciaga stitching right here. On the bottom part of the B, I did notice it was a little bit connected, so I chopped it. Looks okay. I wish I could get the extra threads at the end there off, but it is what it is. I don't really care. Looks good quality wise. Besides that, you got the 45 on the front stitched in there. Looks good. Leather feels good, super soft leather actually, so I like that. Here's the tongue, just says Triple S on it. Balenciaga again all over the shoe on this. So side of the shoe, you guys already know. Back of the shoe looks like that. You got the little pull tab right there. The outsole, it's just a black on black shoe, so pretty simple honestly for the most part. But yeah, don't know if there's a size tag. Let's see if there is one. I forgot where the size tags usually are. Oh, I think they're on the, oh wait, the size of the shoe is actually on the toe box. I forgot. So yeah, there you go. There's a shoe size. No other tags to be found on the inside as far as I can see. It looks a little bit weird without the insole, but normally if the insole's in there, it looks fine. You guys saw what the insole looks like, just black with Balenciaga on it one time. But yeah, quality of the print even is dope. You can see there. So these are a pretty nice shoe, honestly. Pretty clean. It says Balenciaga all over it. Clean black shoe. Laces got that nice Oreo colorway. So overall, it's a pretty solid pickup, honestly. Quality's solid on these as well. We've all seen Triple S's before. They're not really played out. I would say they're still definitely there. But they're just not as popular as they were in the beginning, obviously. There's this shoe. The Balenciaga on this one's much cleaner. It doesn't have any issues with the B. So it looks super clean. Y'all can see it right there. I'm just trying to focus. Most of the time when I work with something that's mostly black, focus tends to be off in the contrast. So bear with me with that. Here's the back of this one. Got the pull tab. There you go. Y'all see it. Even the stitching super clean. There's a 45. Stitching's nice and clean. There's no real distressed look to these either, which I kind of like because they're kind of clean. Balenciaga on the bottom. Yeah, besides that, there's not too much else to cover, guys. So let me know your thoughts on these in the comment section down below. I'm gonna cut this video short. Stay safe, guys. Always wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Stay home. All that sort of stuff. You guys know the drill. With this COVID thing, we're gonna beat it. And yeah, with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoy the rest of your day. I don't know how long this video is because I had to cut it, so we'll see how long it is. I think it's only like 7-8 minutes, if that. Let me know your guys' thoughts. This is a new seller. Like I said, I'll just go over their information one more time. Here's that for y'all, so you can pause the video and take a look at that. Most of this will be in the description as well, so bear that in mind. And yeah, follow the Instagram at AndyLocust21. I will be posting on my story on my Instagram as well, so you can follow off of that. But yeah, remember, follow my Instagram at IRVStuffTV. And with all that being said, guys, I think I'm a head out. So yeah, y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Stay tuned for more heat, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.